A Manhattan high-rise building faced collapse risk, requiring emergency overnight reinforcement work. This structural instability prompted urgent evacuations and road closures in New York City. The incident occurred during a major renovation of the former 10-story Pfizer headquarters. Developers planned to add 19 new floors and connect it to a 33-story adjacent building. On July 7, a steel support column bent, and several upper floors began to sag. NYC Fire Department confirmed the building was continuously moving before emergency measures. 9 surrounding buildings were evacuated, and nearby roads were controlled due to the danger. Construction firm Metroloft stated the added structural load caused the critical bending. This incident raises safety concerns for New York City's office-to-apartment conversion policy. City officials affirmed the policy will proceed, emphasizing safe and responsible construction practices.